In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Beehiv website builder. Whether you're an experienced web designer or just starting out, Beehiv offers an intuitive platform to help you create a professional-looking website with ease. To kick things off, you'll need to log in to your Beehiv dashboard. Once you're logged in, open your publication. Depending on the version you're using, you'll want to navigate to either the website section or the design lab. This is the heart of your customization journey, where you'll tailor your site to suit your brand's unique style and needs. Next up, we're going to set up your website basics, which is essentially laying the foundation of your site. To begin with, it's crucial to focus on your branding. Your brand is your digital handshake, so give it the attention it deserves. Configuring your logo, site title, favicon, brand colors, and fonts is where you'll make your site truly yours. These elements help visitors recognize and remember your website. Typically, you'll find these settings under sections labeled Website Settings, Branding, or Design. Spend some time here getting your branding just right. This is what sets you apart from the crowd. Now let's move on to customizing your homepage, the main stage of your online presence. This is where you'll make your first impression, so it needs to be impactful. Your homepage could feature a hero section that captures attention immediately, a newsletter sign-up form to grow your audience, and featured posts to highlight your key content. An About section helps visitors learn more about you, while CTA buttons drive them to take action. A typical homepage structure begins with a headline that draws visitors in, followed by a short description of your site or business. An email sign-up form is essential if you're looking to expand your reach. Featuring articles that represent your brand's voice gives visitors a taste of your content, while social proof, like testimonials or user reviews, can build trust. Don't forget the footer. It's often where people look for contact information or additional useful links. Moving on, it's time to create important additional pages for your site. Often, you'll want to have an About page, a Thank You page, a Lead Magnet page for capturing new leads, a Resources page for valuable content, and a Contact page for easy interaction. To create a new page, simply navigate to the Website section, then to Pages. From here, click on New Page, add your content, and publish when you're ready to share it with the world. And there you have the essential steps to using Beehiv's website builder. By carefully customizing each part of your website and utilizing Beehiv's intuitive tools, you're well on your way to building an engaging and professional online presence. Enjoy the process of bringing your vision to life, and watch as your website starts to drive real impact for your brand.